Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button. It's called the notification bell, and I recommend that you press it because what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video, and you'll be able to see a picture of what the video is and the title. So if it's of interest to you and you want to watch it, you simply press on the picture and it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It is something that I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it, and I recommend it highly. It's something that I really enjoy. So today is a day where we announce the winner of the giveaway, and we have been enjoying very much on this channel being able to have the opportunity to do this. What happens on my channel, if you are new to the channel, all you have to do is you have to make sure that you are subscribed, which we just went through. Just make sure that the button underneath this video is gray, and that's the first part. The second part is you need to be following me on Truewants 2 on Instagram, and that's how you're able to make sure that you are ready to be entered in all my future giveaways. We have, since we've been getting the duplicate boxes on my channel, I get a couple of base box and a couple of premium boxes through BoxyCharm because I have two separate accounts. And what we've been doing with those duplicates, we have been sharing them with you guys on the channel, and we're doing them one product at a time. So this way, you're able to, if it's something that you want, you're going to be able to know that it's not in this large group of products that you're trying to get your hands on, and maybe there's one or two in that bundle that you've wanted. So I want to make sure that the people that are supporting my channel and helping me grow, I wanted to be able to use those duplicates and give them back to you guys, and that's what we've been doing. So over a month now, we have been doing this. Literally, we just checked, it's been weekly. So it has been a blessing that I have the channel, that when I do get the duplicates, I'm able to share it with you guys. And because of that and the loyalty and the sharing that you've done on my channel, we have been growing at a really nice rate. On Instagram, Truewants 2, we're growing a little bit faster because I think it's harder for people to find the channel on YouTube, but I love having the YouTube channel, and the only reason I started Instagram was I wanted to make sure that people knew to come to the channel on YouTube, because YouTube was something that in my heart, I wanted to be able to have a community within Truewants where we'd be able to share in the comments, you guys being able to help me and me being able to share my knowledge with you guys. And it has truly been that way for me. I am seeing in the comments more and more people are leaving comments and sharing, and I cannot thank you guys enough for doing that. So if the giveaway is something that might have intrigued you to come here, I am really happy that a lot of you said that that might have brought you here, but you have stayed because of the video. So thank you for that. Also, thank you so much for the comments, because it means everything, as well as all the thumbs up have really been increasing on the videos. So thank you for doing that as well. Okay, let's get to the giveaway. So this giveaway for today was the Kopari Coconut Rose Toner Refresh Balance. How appropriate. It's roses and it's Valentine's Day. I think that's really, really fantastic. So it is the Coconut Rose Toner Refresh and Balance. This is the one that I have, and if you hear it, it's almost empty. So it truly is me wanting to share, because this is fantastic. It is a full bottle. It is going to be coming in the packaging like this that we're going to be sending out to you. So I have enjoyed this a lot. Literally, I've used it almost to the end, and I only do that with products that I really feel have made a difference. So whoever is going to be, which I know who it is, going to be receiving this, I think you're going to enjoy it as much as I do, and I really hope you will leave in the comments after you received it and you've had an opportunity to try it, to make sure to tell everybody how much you've enjoyed this as well. So really, really excited to share that with you guys. So for this giveaway, the winner is Felicia Floyd. And what I'm going to be doing, Felicia, is I am going to be in the video that you entered this giveaway. I am going to be leaving you a note in your comment section telling you that you have been chosen as the winner for this giveaway. I'm also going to be contacting you on Instagram with the Instagram name that you left for me in that comment through direct message. And then in the direct message, I'm going to be sending you an email that I'm going to be wanting you to send your personal USA address to. And then we will respond to you via email with the tracking number when the shipment, this gift, leaves to you. All right? So once again, I will leave a message for you in your comments in the video where you entered, as well as through direct message. So once again, congratulations to Felicia Floyd. And I am excited for you guys to, for you to be able to get this product because, like I said, I've really enjoyed it. But I want to thank everybody for entering because you are showing me that what I'm doing and the giveaways that I'm doing are of an interest to you. So we're going to continue to do that. And we're doing that because the outpouring of people that are liking these giveaways has been increasing. So we're seeing more and more that what we're doing on this channel is something that you guys are enjoying. So once again, thank you for finding me. Thank you for sharing my channel, which is helping me grow. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take care and bye-bye for now.